Welcome to the Outlook 2010 video on understanding email accounts. This is really just a very brief video on understanding the different types of Outlook accounts you can have and their purpose. So really, to access your type of account, when you initially set up your Outlook, you will go through a process, which I'm going to take you through in a minute, which allows you to choose what type of account you want. But if you're already in your Outlook and you'd like to know what type of account you have, you can add a new account and manage your existing account by doing the following. Click on the File button, and this screen over here will show you exactly what currently is being used as your default account. You've got your account settings, where you can modify the settings for this account and configure additional connections. You can also set up your automatic replies, your cleanup tools, and again manage your rules and alerts. So this is my default account. If I click on Add Account, you've got a couple of options. If you had to set this up automatically, it will then basically talk to the server and set up the account for you. But let's assume we choose the manually configure server settings, which will show you the different types of accounts that you get. So really, you've got a POP3 or an IMAP account. And this is what a lot of people do when they use Outlook for personal use, or small businesses can use these types of settings. Companies that start to get a little bit bigger, it makes a lot more sense for them to use Microsoft Exchange. This allows them to connect to a domain, and they have access to shared calendars, contacts, tasks, and mail, which is very useful. And then of course you can also select text maker messaging. Let's assume, which is one of the most common, a POP3 or IMAP account. From here, you would have to have certain bits of information in order for you to set up your account. Your name and email address, the account type, and then depending on who your service provider is, you would have to put in your incoming mail server and outgoing mail server, as well as the login information. And once you've got all this information, it will test the server settings for you and create a new account. The basic fundamental difference is POP3 email resides on your computer. So should your computer get stolen, there goes your email as well. Whereas IMAP and Microsoft Exchange backs up your server to the cloud, which allows you to set up your email anywhere you go.